Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Sugarcane Bay Hotel project. Now this is one of the largest hotel projects in Jamaica. It involves building 10 hotels by the Karisma group in St. Anne. They are going to build on 226 acres. And it's located in Landover, St. Anne, and that's between Runaway Bay and Prairie. This is one of the reasons why that road needs to be upgraded as soon as possible. Because in addition to this hotel, there are so many more. Okay, so this is one of the largest investments in the hotel industry in Jamaica. Now, they had broken ground on this project a couple years ago, but right as they broke ground, COVID-19 hit. So they put the project on hold. But it was announced recently that they have now restarted the project, and we're going to give you an update on the latest on the project. The construction of the multi-billion-dollar tourism hotel development, Sugarcane Bay, Jamaica, which is being spearheaded by Karisma Hotels and Resorts in Landover, St. Anne, is back on track, says Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. Mr. Bartlett received a welcome update from co-founder of Karisma Hotels and Resorts during the Arabian Travel Market in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, recently. In providing an update to reporters, Bartlett said the US $1 billion hotel project, for which ground was initially broken in February 2020, was delayed due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and other issues. The Sugarcane/Karisma project is back on track, Bartlett proudly announced. I met with Mr. Lubo, and he announced to me that groundbreaking for the first of several resorts in the Karisma portfolio is to take place later this year, bringing more than 700 new rooms and thousands of new jobs to Jamaica, Bartlett informed. In elaborating on the expected timeline for another groundbreaking, Bartlett said it could take place by August this year, with construction commencing shortly after for a 500-room hotel to start, with a condominium and other villa arrangements that could bring a 750-room count start for the Karisma project in St. Anne. The Sugarcane Bay development, spread across 226 acres of land in Landover, which is between Salem, Runaway Bay, and Prairie, is expected to provide 10,000 jobs and add 4,700 rooms over a 10-year period. It was announced at the project's groundbreaking 3 years ago. Karisma came to Jamaica in 2013 with the opening of the 148-room luxury boutique property Azul Beach Resort in Negril. Alright guys, so that's the latest on this project. Now, this is what you call a mega development, so we will definitely keep you guys updated on this project and all the major projects that are taking place. But this one is definitely one of the larger projects taking place in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about this project. Alright guys, have a good day.